Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this lecture, we are going to learn how to install Wifislax. We will install the Wifislax in dual boot. In the previous lecture, we bought a pen drive for Wifislax, and now we're going to insert that pen drive into our computer. So insert your pen drive into your computer and start the computer. When the screen is on, press F12 from the keyboard or any other key depending on your system to enter the one-time boot option. Now select your pen drive and then press enter. The default language of this distro is Sponal, and if you're not familiar with this language, you can change this language, what you prefer. To change the language, select non-ES language selection, and from drop down, select US American or any other language that you are used to it. And you will start to boot in live mode. To run any program, you can run it from the menu. Now to install Wifislax in hard drive, you need to make a partition for Wifislax. To make a partition, choose System from the menu and then open gparted for partitioning. And I have a pre-installed Wifislax, so I'm gonna delete that partition and it will be unallocated. Now select the unallocated space and click on Partition tab, choose New. It will pop up a window. Now adjust the size of the partition on your need. Now click on Add button and now click on Apply to complete the partition. It will take a few time. The partition has been completed and it is in on /dev/sda5. Now close the gparted. Now to install Wifislax, open System in menu and go to Install Wifislax and select Wifislax installer GUI. Now from the drop down, select your partition. In my case, that is /dev/sda5 and click OK. This installation gonna take some time. Installation complete. Now click on OK. Wait for load the group installer. Now choose Ambient partition installation and click on OK. It will install group in Ambient. Installation complete. Now restart your PC and unplug the pen drive, and it will boot to the Wifislax from the hard drive. Now see here in my dual boarded Wifislax, and it's completely functional. That's all for this lecture. So see you in the next one.